Hi everyone, today we're going to do soap powered boats. So for this experiment, what you're going to need is you're going to need a pair of scissors, some coloured pencils, some water, so we've got some water in the cup.
Paper plates?
This is just paper plates, and we've just cut them up to make our boats.
And some detergent or soap that we're going to use to power the boats. So what we've done here, we've cut the paper plates and we've cut a little circle in it, and what we're going to do in a moment, we're going to place it inside in the water, on top of the water, sorry, making sure that no water goes on top of the paper plate, and place a little bit of soap in the circle.
So what happens if the water ends up on top of the plate? Does anyone know?
Any ideas, guys? Yes?
Will the boat sink?
It
Yes.
might
The
sink.
boat will more than
So
likely
for
sink,
the
yes.
boat to work, we want it to be on top of the water, like normal boats. And if we put any force on top, that might cause it to sink into the water, which is not what we want.
Can any-
Why do you guys think that we have used this particular shape?
Any ideas? Maybe
We'll take anything.
We'll come back to that after the race, and we'll see if you can see why then.
One more question, does anyone know what might happen once a little bit of soap is placed in the middle of it? When it's laying like this?
What do you predict?
Boat?
Will it move? Will it stay still? Will it spin?
Think
Will
of
it
it.
go forward, backwards?
Forward.
Alright.
Alright,
Let's
we'll
see.
find
So
out.
because my favourite colour is blue, I'm going to make a little blue circle in here. So I know that that's my boat in the race.
We'll get our water,
Okay,
put
so
it into our racing tray. We'll do the race, and then we'll explain the science of what's happening.
just going to gently put. Shaking.
Our
Do
boat
you
is
guys want
floating.
can you guys see from there?
Come have a
up,
look.
have a look.
Come have a look.
Here, you two,
Oh no.
student, come and
And now we're going to place a drop.
come here. Student.
Oh. Yeah, I think the hole was too big, but other than that.
Right, see, that's the thing about science. Sometimes it doesn't always work exactly how we predict. So, what do you think we might do? Are we going to do it the exact same next time?
No.
Try something different.
Can anyone say what happened? Can anyone tell me what happened, even though it didn't work? That's what we expected it to.
We had some movement.
Yeah, too much.
We did achieve a boat movement, but the vessel capsized.
We think it's because maybe the boat got a little bit wet when we put it in the water, or maybe the hole was too big.
Yeah. Possibly.
So this next time, on our next race, we're going to try putting the detergent on first, see if that makes a difference. So I've just cut my boat here. Now let's put some detergent on.
Wait, how are we going to
We'll
do
do it around the
that?
top, doesn't matter if we spill a little bit. Some on the inside there.
Yep.
Give it a little bit of a rub.
Might put some
This
more
is
in.
our fuel. Now, would you like to come up and look? Are you there? Yep, that's great. Yep, come up here. Carefully place the boat down. And
Might put
another.
one more.
So what might have happened here is we're looking at surface tension. So maybe the detergent we used on the first one changed the surface tension of the water. So we'll try one more time to get the boat working. Is there any more water in here? No. Try one more time.
Can we pause the video? Later.
Yeah, cut it later.
And we're back.
Okay, so Mr. Vanderstock has just gone and got us some fresh water without any detergent fuel. So, for our next attempt, we have changed the design, we have changed our method, we have a smaller plate, a smaller circle, and let's see how this goes. So would you like to come and have a look at this, everybody? So we're going to make this quick. We'll see if we can show you the movement. There you go. There we go.
Okay,
Broom
now we'll do
broom, power.
that. Okay.
Success.
Can anyone tell us why they think the boat might have moved forward? What created
Wet.
When you put the detergent in the water, did it react with the water?
Yeah, so we're looking at Newton's laws of physics here. And one of Newton's laws is that everything has an equal and opposite reaction. So the water actually has a skin on it, where the particles are actually drawn tighter together. That's why little objects and little bugs can float on top of the water. And when we look at the detergent doesn't have that skin, it has a lower surface tension. So when we put the detergent on the boat, it creates a lower surface tension around that area. And if you just think of an elastic band, if you cut that elastic band, it's going to create a little fling. So the force is a backwards force, it's pushing the water backwards, which drives the boat forward. So that's the science behind why our soap-powered boats go forward.
Any questions?
Would you guys like to attempt to create one?
Yes.
Okay, we'll give you this as sort of pre-cut. One is to change the design, so however you cut it, I want you to do it slightly differently.
You still have to have kind of a hole at the end, but if you want to have like a square shape or a diamond shape
Try
or
with a
something,
bigger one
go
if you
for it.
like. And how else could we change our method of doing this race or experiment? What else could you change?
Try it with other liquid.
Other liquids?
Oil.
Yeah.
Other
Could
shapes.
change, yeah, other materials.
Other materials, other shapes. Yep. Good job.
So do I
Yep.
put it in?
Okay, right. Put it on the soap and garlic.
It's kind of like
Drop it.
almost
That's
drop
like-
it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I think
Right.
it's just gonna float.
Not we have a sinker. Alright, we'll try the next one.
We'll try
That's
next one.
fine.
So hold it at the tip is probably easiest to place it
Oh,
in, so
right,
you can just look at that
Hold
end maybe.
Yep.
Put the
Yep.
detergent at the ready. And
Sounds
sinkage.
straight away.
We'll try with this one again, see if we can get it to float. It is wet, so because it's heavier, it might sink because of gravity. I'll get my detergent ready. No. That's alright. We saw the science in action at least once.
Yes.
It worked very well. We would probably use a more floatable material next time instead of paper, because paper absorbs the water. So we could also try using some foam or
Maybe thin plastic.
in plastic, lots of different ideas. There's no wrong answer. If you try, it works.
Yeah.
The key to science is experimenting.
Yeah,
You won't always like the first time.
and repeating the experiment. All right. So
Alright,
can
thanks,
you guys explain to me why the boat moved, just to make sure you understand it?
Newton's law.
Yeah. And what happens to the surface of the water?
Between
Yeah, surface
different
tension, our
liquids
keywords.
Yeah.
and the soap
Yeah. And what does the soap do? Does it pull it or push it, or
pushes it.
so it creates a force in the water,
Yes.
and then that pushes the object, which is the boat?
Yeah.
Very good. All right. Thank you.
Thanks
Thank you.
everyone. Good job.